Welcome to another Fleet Awards ceremony. This week was a capstone, one of the most difficult combinations of conditions and missions. We experimented and explored and eventually conquered the combat practice in stormy conditions in these wretched torrential rains and seas. We now are happy to introduce our three winners and new inductees into the Fleet Hall of Fame. They designed specifically great ships that very much accomplished their missions and thought very hard about how they wanted to execute their designs. They used technologies like radar and the sniper weapon to harness the most futuristic naval engineering components that we have built into fleet. So without further ado, we first have in third place FVBAMF, a stunning third place finish. In second, the Hooligans come in. And then with a final first place score, Arianas. Overall, the scores were much, much higher than I've ever been able to achieve and really showed great dedication to the game. Congratulations to these new award winners and inductees in the Fleet Hall of Fame. We're happy to have you with us. And next week is really a celebration of all things engineering and fleet. We're looking for your engineering design process, your data, and really want to start celebrating how we're doing the engineering, not just playing the game, but really focusing on the engineering as a process and a discipline. Look forward to seeing you next Fleet Friday to celebrate those entries. You can email us anytime, fleet@navalengineers.org, or reach out to us on Facebook. We're at the American Society of Naval Engineers. Thanks so much and have a great day.